Hi everybody, I'm Susan from unbranded. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's still pretty cold here in Canada. I hope everybody is staying cozy and warm. I do have a what I got for my birthday video, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe is always appreciated. And let's go ahead and get started to the video. Alright, I got this DIORSHOW liner, and this is in marine or navy. It's 178. It's waterproof. It's very nice. I'm gonna focus there. It's pretty easy to use. You just roll it up like that. And it's a pretty cool color. It goes on really smooth. So that's my first one. And I like the coloring. The coloring is really nice. Alright. Then from my mom, she gave me a birthday card. Happy birthday to you. And what does it say here? Thinking of you, birthday 2019. Really nice flowers. That was really sweet of her. I told her, you know, don't worry about it, and apparently she did. So she sent me a gift. So that was really nice. She didn't have to, but it's always nice to get gifts. It says, happy birthday, lots of love, Mom and Benny. Benny is her dog. And then she put a little heart and says, I love you. And there's a little heart, isn't that cute? Alright, so that's her card that came today. And then let's see what she got me here. It came in a blue box like this. Go ahead and open it up. This is J. King's Mines, Amber and Turquoise. Hope you like it. Okay, it's from HSN. Comes in a box like this. It's J. King's Mines. He does turquoise, and it's a bracelet. It has turquoise, amber, and this must be maybe yellow turquoise. It's really pretty, and then it has these little gold balls there. Let's see if it will focus there. Yep. And it's a bracelet. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And then goes all the way around. And then the little beads separate it like. So that was really nice of her. Thanks, Mom. Alright, and then the next one that I got, let's take a look and see what I got here. Came in a box like this. Pretty good size. Okay, it came wrapped nice. Nothing in there. Alright, there's the packaging. Alright, and this is a leather pouch. It's non-branded. It's in like a brown leather. It smells good. Zipper's nice. Alright, let's see what's in there. Just some stuffing, it looks like. Yeah. And then the inside. Alright. And I got this off of eBay, and I wanted something for like pens and pencils, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on Louis, so I decided to try to find something that was leather and that would hold up, not really anything like plastic. And this seems to be pretty nice, actually. All right, that's what I got for my birthday. I hope everybody enjoyed it. And until next time, thanks for watching LV and More. Have a great day. Bye, guys.